How to log out account in Binance. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account in Binance application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To log out the application on Binance, first of all open Binance app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see this option for menu icon. Just simply tap on menu icon. After you click on menu bar, again look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll be able to view these options for setting icon. Tap on settings or just simply tap on your profile. After you click on your profile icon, tap on this profile icon with setting icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be able to see this option for logout. Look at the bottom of your screen. You are looking to log out your account, right? Just simply tap on logout. Once you click on logout, your account will be instantly logged out from Binance application. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna log out your account on Binance. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.